Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add Suica to Google Pay. To view your bank account details of Scotiabank, you can follow these steps. First of all, sign in to your Scotiabank online or mobile banking platform. Then, click on the account you want to view the details of. Now, you'll be able to see your account number, transit number or branch number, and institution number, also called the bank number, at the bottom of your checks or on your account summary page. You may need to enter the card details manually or follow the on-screen instructions to capture the information. Follow any additional steps for card verification. This might involve receiving a verification code through SMS or email. Agree to any terms and conditions presented during the setup process. Once the card is added successfully, you should see it listed in your Google Pay app. Now that your Suica card is added to Google Pay, you can use your phone to make payments for purchases and transportation where Google Pay is accepted. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.